Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by signing in and confirming essentials. Make sure your PC is plugged in and online. Use a Microsoft account so your settings, OneDrive files, and passwords sync automatically. Once done, pick your language, time zone, and privacy choices. These control telemetry, location, and app access. Don't delay these selections. They affect how Windows secures your device and personalizes updates. If you prefer local control, create a local account now. But no, you'll miss some integrated cloud features. Next, customize the desktop and start menu so you work faster. You can pin apps to start and the taskbar. This reduces hunting for things. Go to settings to adjust display scale and nightlight for eye comfort, and create virtual desktops to separate work and personal windows. Make sure to set up Windows Hello, Fingerprint, Face, or PIN speeds, sign in, and improve security. Once everything looks right, organize File Explorer Quick Access and enable OneDrive to keep files backed up automatically. Finish by securing and maintaining the system so it stays reliable. Keep Windows Update on automatic and review optional driver updates. These prevent compatibility issues. Make sure Windows Defender is active and configure file history or OneDrive backups for your files. If something goes wrong, try built-in troubleshooters under Settings, restart the PC, and check Device Manager for driver problems. If an app still fails, reset the app or uninstall and reinstall it. This often fixes corrupt data without wiping your whole system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.